Hi all, I am Carrasco, the project coordinator of SPEED 5G. SPEED 5G is a research project funded by the European Commission through the 5G PPP initiative, and the main objective is to achieve a significantly better exploitation of heterogeneous networks and radio access technologies, providing higher capacity together with the ultra-densification of cellular technology and effectively supporting the new 5G quality of experience requirements through disruptive spectrum management techniques. In that sense, SPEED 5G is developing new techniques for optimizing spectrum utilization following a three-dimensional model. This three-dimensional model includes the ultra-densification through small cells, the utilization of licensed and slightly licensed spectrum, and the exploitation of available wireless resources in terms of spectrum and radio access technologies. SPEED 5G is developing two key enablers for the 5G standardization path. First of all, our three-dimensional model, defined as Extended Dynamic Spectrum Allocation, or EDSA, where several spectrum bands and cells and technology are jointly managed in order to offer improved quality of experience and tremendous capacity increase in a costly efficient manner. On the other hand, SPEED 5G envisions a new air interface using LVMC, a 5G candidate waveform addressing as well the coexistence amongst multiple radio access technology by means of developing a new MAC layer and a new RRM mechanisms to cope with the EDSA concept. The main research areas of the project include the development of a new protocol stack for the 5G air interface, and also the definition of a novel architecture for the network edge, where small cells will be deployed. In that sense, SDN and VNF virtualization will be taken into consideration. Regarding the protocol stack, optimizing spectrum utilization and spectral efficiency in a new MAC layer will mean developing and implementing efficient management and MAC mechanisms for the sharing of lightly licensed spectrum bands and at 2.3 GHz and 3.5, exploiting as well LSA techniques, and also using unlicensed spectrum at 5 gigs and below 1 gig, for instance, TV white spaces. These activities will be mostly related with the layer 2. Regarding the layer 3 and above, we will research on dynamic management for wireless networks in those layers. In that sense, enhance multi-rate and context-aware service-oriented radio resource management and allocation scheme that will offer capacity and coverage extension, as well as improve spectrum utilization, will be our focus in order to enable dense and ultra-dense networks for supporting ultra-broadband wireless and massive IoT applications. Finally, on behalf of the consortium partners of the SPEED 5G project, we would like to thank the European Commission and the 5G PPP initiative for funding the project and supporting all these key research activities, allowing Europe to keep the leadership in the mobile communication space.